Bluey skipped into the yard, tail wagging, ears perked, shouting, "Coco! Over here!" Coco ran fast, giggling loud, "I'm coming, Bluey." Bingo followed close, "Don't leave me behind." Could a simple playdate turn into non-stop excitement? Bluey pulled Coco toward the big tree, pointing at the rope's swing. "Race you to the top." Coco grinned, sprinting, jumping over puddles, ears flopping wild. Bluey leaped too, landing soft, laughing. Could a little competition feel like a huge adventure? The swing creaked as they climbed, Bingo cheering, "Faster! Higher!" Bluey swung first, pumping paws, laughing hard. Coco followed, squealing with joy as the swing lifted her high. Bandit peeked from the porch, shaking his head, "They're unstoppable today." Chilli smiled, watching careful. Could energy like this be contagious? Suddenly, Muffin and Socks ran over with a surprise, a colorful kite. "Let's fly it!" Muffin shouted. Bluey and Coco untangled the string, tails wagging, ears alert. The wind picked up, lifting the kite fast, soaring high. "Look at it go!" Coco shouted, jumping excited. Could teamwork make the sky our playground? Rusty and Lucky joined, trying to chase the kite as it danced, swirled, almost touching the clouds. Bluey laughed, "We're a team." Coco spun around, dodging a branch, squealing. Bingo cheered loud, "Best day ever." Could chaos and fun mix into pure happiness? Then a sudden gust tangled the kite string around the tree. Bluey gasped, Coco froze, but together they worked fast, untangling, laughing, slipping slightly in the mud. "Almost got it!" Bluey yelled. Finally, the kite soared free again, spinning bright under the sun. Could challenges make victory even sweeter? As the sun dipped low, Bluey and Coco collapsed on the grass, giggling, tails wagging, eyes sparkling. Bingo, Muffin, and Socks joined, forming a circle of laughter. Bluey looked at the camera, smiling wide. If you loved our fun day, hit like, tap subscribe, and come play with me and Coco again for more adventures. The wind whispered, kite dancing above, friends laughing, and the yard glowing warm. Could one perfect day feel endless?